Social institutions. Social institutions are the organized systems that make society function. They are not buildings or offices but sets of rules, roles, and relationships that help people live together peacefully. These institutions give structure to our lives by guiding how we behave, interact, and meet our basic needs. Every community, no matter how large or small, depends on them to maintain order and stability. From birth to death, we are shaped by social institutions. They influence what we learn, how we work, how we form families, and even what we believe. Without them, life would be chaotic because people would not know how to behave or what roles to play in society. The family is the most basic and important social institution. It is where people first learn language, values, and social norms. Families provide love, care, and emotional security, and they help children become responsible adults. Family structures may differ, some are nuclear, others extended, but their role in shaping personality and teaching cooperation remains the same. Education is another major institution that builds knowledge and skills. Schools do more than teach reading or mathematics, they also pass on culture, discipline, and social values. They prepare people to contribute to the economy and become responsible citizens. Education also helps reduce inequality by giving people opportunities to improve their lives. In modern times, technology has made education accessible beyond classrooms, turning learning into a lifelong process. The economy is the institution that manages resources, how things are produced, distributed, and consumed. It affects everyone's daily life, from food and shelter to jobs and income. Different societies have different economic systems, such as capitalism or socialism, but all aim to organize work and exchange fairly. When the economy is stable, people thrive. When it fails, poverty and inequality rise, affecting other institutions like family and politics. The political institution deals with power and governance. Governments make and enforce laws, protect citizens, and maintain social order. They decide how resources are distributed and ensure justice through legal systems. Political institutions differ from one country to another, some are democratic, others authoritarian, but all play a crucial role in keeping society organized. Strong political systems promote peace and equality, while weak ones often lead to corruption or conflict. Religion is another significant social institution. It provides meaning to life and answers moral and spiritual questions. Religion teaches values such as honesty, compassion, and justice, helping to create social harmony. It also gives people emotional comfort and community belonging. However, religion can also become a source of division when beliefs differ. Despite this, it continues to shape laws, cultures, and social behavior across the world. The legal institution supports both political and social order. It defines what is right and wrong and provides mechanisms to resolve disputes. Courts, police, and lawyers are all part of this system, ensuring fairness and justice. Without laws, people could harm one another without consequence, and society would fall into disorder. Health institutions ensure the well-being of people. Hospitals, clinics, and public health systems protect citizens from disease and promote longer lives. A healthy society is more productive and stable. The recent global health crises have shown how essential medical systems are, not just for individuals but for social and economic stability as well. The media has also become an important modern institution. It spreads information, shapes opinions, and connects people globally. Through television, newspapers, and the internet, media influences how people think and what they believe. It can promote truth and awareness, but it can also spread misinformation. Media has the power to build or damage trust in institutions, making it one of the most influential systems today. All these institutions are interconnected. For example, education affects the economy affects the family, and the government influences all of them. When one institution fails, others suffer too. If the economy declines, families face financial problems, education quality drops, and political stability weakens. This interdependence shows that institutions must work together to maintain balance in society. Social institutions also evolve over time. Families today look different from those in the past, and technology has transformed education, religion, and media. As societies modernize, institutions adapt to new values and challenges. Yet their core purpose, to organize life and promote cooperation, remains the same. Sociologists study these institutions to understand how they shape human behavior. Functionalist theorists see institutions as parts of a system that maintain balance and order. Conflict theorists argue that institutions often benefit the powerful at the expense of the weak, such as how education or the economy can favor the wealthy. Symbolic interactionists focus on the small interactions within institutions, like how teachers and students shape each other's understanding of learning. Understanding social institutions helps us see the bigger picture of society. They provide predictability and unity, allowing millions of people to coexist peacefully. Institutions give meaning and stability to our lives, helping us grow from individuals into functioning members of society. In simple terms, social institutions are the backbone of civilization. They make cooperation possible and guide our actions toward shared goals. Without them, there would be confusion and instability. As we move forward into an increasingly complex and digital world, the need for strong and adaptable institutions becomes even greater. Recognizing their value helps us work toward building fairer and more harmonious societies. If you found this explanation helpful and want to learn more about sociology and human behavior, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more educational content.